2023 Subaru BRZ redesign. 2023 Subaru BRZ is first introduced to make the public confused by the question why Subaru build a rear-wheel drive sports car with a weak non-turbo engine. But you'll find the answer once you drive it, and the name Subaru BRZ 2023 has become synonymous with an easily accessible sports car and arguably one of the most famous sports cars out in the last decade. The 2023 Subaru BRZ redesigns several features such as the Performance Tune TS, which adds Sachs shock absorbers, Brembo brakes, and a number of ST chassis boosters. Several other competitors who are in the lineup of sports sedan cars such as the 2022 Toyota 86 and the Mazda MX-5 Miata are ready to become strong competitors for the latest generation new Subaru BRZ 2023. Subaru BRZ 2023. The new 2023 Subaru BRZ model has been with us since 2012, and since then it has received a number of new appearance, interior, and chassis updates. In this latest generation, it is unlikely that the BRZ 2023 will undergo much change, despite the increasing demand for turbocharged engines. The Subaru BRZ 2023 offers enhancements such as an exclusive white ceramic paint color choice, Sachs dampers and coil springs, V-ST clamp, and many other new features. New BRZ 2023 exterior. You will immediately recognize the shape of the new BRZ 2023. This car is decorated with exclusive cherry blossom red accents around the front grille and unique rear bumper cover. The roof-mounted shark fin antenna and the BRZ 2023 badge are all finished in black. The TS model gets 18-inch alloy wheels with a matte bronze finish and a low-profile rear spoiler. 2023 Subaru BRZ Limited and TS are equipped with LED headlamps and fog lamps, and you'll find heated body tinted mirrors on 2023 BRZ Limited. So nothing fancy, you just get what you need to keep rain from falling off the windshield. 2023 BRZ Limited is available in 5 bases such as Crystal Black Silica, Crystal White Pearl, and Ice Silver Metallic. Whereas the Magnetite Grey Metallic and WR Blue Pearl colors are the colors that stand out. 2023 Subaru BRZ TS Hardcore available exclusively in ceramic white, which makes it all the more attractive. 2023 BRZ dimensions. The dimensions held by the 2023 BRZ are like a small car, which makes a lot of sense when you consider the purpose. The total length of the Subaru BRZ measures 167 inches and the total width reaches 70 inches. The 2023 Subaru BRZ Coupe has a height of up to 52 inches and a ground clearance of 4.9 inches. The track in front measures 60 inches, grows to 60.6 inches at the back, and the whole package spins with a 101-inch wheelbase. One of the Subaru BRZ 2023's main allies in delivering an exhilarating driving experience that's really hard to match, is the curb weight of only 2,800 pounds, and goes up to 2,833 pounds on the Subaru BRZ TS, and 2,840 pounds in auto, which helps it brake later, accelerates faster, and turns harder. This is one of the basic elements of creating an effective and fun sports car. 2023 Subaru BRZ engine. The 2023 Subaru BRZ concept carries a 4-cylinder engine capable of producing a total power output of 205 horsepower at 7,000 rpm high, and a total torque of 156 lb-ft at 6,400 rpm, while a car equipped with a 6-speed automatic sees those numbers drop to 200 horsepower and produces 151 lb-ft of torque. This is the type of engine that needs to be kept in a high rev range if you plan on going at high speeds. This can be tiring in everyday driving when the WRX turbocharged torque is not at its maximum. Meanwhile, the Subaru BRZ 2023 track adds to the overall appeal of the car. New 2023 Subaru BRZ Rumors Interior. Subaru BRZ 2023 offers its interior with complete features in its class. Subaru BRZ chose to keep it as simple as possible, but for many this plan backfired. The majority of BRZ 2023 owners drive their cars every day, and Subaru offers a more robust interior that is always the top priority. The interior of the latest 2023 Subaru BRZ model doesn't feel as high-end as the latest 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata. That's enough to keep most drivers happy. Inside the cab, there's an attractive new 2023 BRZ center console, and all the controls are easy to reach and neatly organized. Some of the features offered in the cabin include a 6-way adjustable driver's seat, leather steering wheel and shifter, old-school analog speedo, coolant temperature, and a new fuel level gauge. Subaru BRZ 2023 Infotainment. The infotainment system offered in the latest generation BRZ 2023 carries the concept of simplicity. Exterior features include LED headlights, fog lamps, and heated side mirrors. The inside of the cabin features a leather steering wheel with integrated cruise, Bluetooth, and audio controls and red stitching. Sun protection with illuminated vanity, two 12-volt sockets and dual-zone automatic climate control are also included. Not only that, Subaru BRZ 2023 also offers a security system including keyless access with a start button, an anti-theft system, and an immobilizer. Meanwhile, an advanced driver assistance system is not provided, but such as lane guard assistance or automatic forward braking are available in BRZ 2023. New 2023 Subaru BRZ price. Subaru has yet to release the price for the Subaru BRZ 2023, which is one of the most affordable and capable sports cars in its class. Provisional estimates that if there are not many changes, it is likely that the price offered will not be much different from the previous year. New 2023 Subaru BRZ Model Limited starts with an MSRP of $30,000. As for the high-performance Subaru BRZ, it can cost up to $35,000. 2023 BRZ TS will set you back close to $38,000. If the latest generation gets an upgrade on a turbocharged engine, it is likely that the price offered will also increase.